SEEDANCE 2.5 has officially launched, and if you're looking for a way to try this brand new AI video model for free, you've clicked on the right video. So let's get started. First, open the link provided in the description or pinned comment. If you sign up using my referral link, you'll receive extra free credits. Now create an account using Discord. If you don't already have a Discord account, create one first using this email service. Before authorizing the website, make sure you verify your Discord email. Once it's verified, come back and click the Authorize button. After your account is set up, choose the free plan. You'll receive 300 free credits. If you join their Discord server, you'll get 50 extra credits. Increasing your total to 350 free credits. Now, let's generate a video using a SEEDANCE 2.5. Create your first project and add a video node. Then, select the SEEDANCE 2.5 model. You can choose any SEEDANCE 2.5 variant and generate videos in different resolutions. Higher video quality consume more credits. So if you're just testing the model, I recommend using a lower quality setting. Next, set the video duration. With 350 free credits, you can generate up to a 9-second video. If you need more credits, don't worry. I'll show you how to earn them in just a moment. Now enter your prompt and click Generate. Within a few moments, your video will be ready. You can download the generated video, but the free version includes a watermark. If you want to remove it, you can easily use any watermark remover website or software. And if you also want to use SEEDANCE 2 and SEEDANCE 2 Mini for free, click the video currently showing on your screen. I'll show you the complete process there. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.